The Crystal Bible by Judy Hall, in-depth review. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Duwain's product review. Today, I'm reviewing a book that's been a game changer in my crystal journey, The Crystal Bible by Judy Hall. If you're into crystals, spirituality, or energy work, this book might just be what you need. Now I have to say, my journey with crystals started with my black obsidian bead and Shungite necklace, which inspired me to learn more about their properties. That's when I came across this book, and trust me, it didn't disappoint. So let's dive in and see if it's worth adding to your collection. Overview of the book. This book is considered one of the best beginner-friendly crystal guides out there. It covers over 200 crystals, detailing their meanings, healing properties, and how they can be used in daily life. The layout is super user-friendly, with crystals organized alphabetically, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. What makes it stand out? Comprehensive and informative. You get details on each crystal's color, origin, and energy properties. Easy navigation. Crystals are arranged in an A to Z format with stunning images for easy identification. Practical applications. Judy Hall includes ways to use crystals for meditation, chakra healing, and spiritual work. High-quality visuals. Great for quick reference and learning. One of the first things I did when I got this book was look up black obsidian and Shungite, since they're the two crystals that sparked my interest. The book confirmed what I already felt. Black obsidian is a powerful grounding and protection stone, while Shungite is known for its detoxifying and EMF blocking properties. It was fascinating to see how well the book aligned with my own experiences. Who is it for? This book is perfect for beginners, collectors, and even those already working with crystals. If you're someone who wears crystals daily, like me with my black obsidian and Shungite necklace, this book is a great tool to deepen your understanding of their properties. Final thoughts. Overall, I highly recommend the Crystal Bible. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your knowledge, this book is an incredible resource. It definitely helped me understand my own crystals better, and I still use it as a go-to guide. What do you guys think? Do you own this book, or are you thinking about getting it? What's your favorite crystal and why? Drop a comment below and let's talk. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell